Hello! Welcome to Elder Valley. Who might you be with such swooshy hair?
They call me Joshy Steele.
No, we will not be calling you that.
No.
What do you want? Why have you disturbed me?
Do you know of any cooking jobs in the area?
Cooking jobs? I'm the frog wizard. I have all my potions and stuff to worry about. Hey, where are you going?
I keep telling you, old man, breakfast ends at 12. I can't help you.
But Chef Holly, you know I'm out nearly every night in a banger. Going to bed earlier than 4 in the a.m. is no option for this weary spirit.
You need to wake up earlier.
I want to act a fool and eat some breakfast.
Well, I can't help you.
Please, can you find it in your heart to make one bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel?
I can't make breakfast 24/7. I'd keel over in a week. You need to make it in time in order to receive one of Chef Holly's master breakfast sandwiches.
Boo!
Breakfast isn't a right. It's a privilege. What in tarnation are you doing?
You dare deny this old man a breakfast sandwich at 2:12 in the afternoon? What kind of breakfast chef are you? Breakfast is meant to be enjoyed and shared, not rationed out whenever you see fit. I'm taking over this hut and setting a new standard for breakfast time.
All right. Well, good luck to you, kid. You'll never make it. Breakfast wasn't meant to be served all day.
Young man, your breakfast sandwich was just so perfect. I couldn't possibly leave the stand a secret. Everyone from the Elder Valley is here. Now, I need this breakfast sandwich right now. I got a guy to see.
You got it. It's time to make some breakfast sandwiches.
Ooh, my boy! Tonight you are to be rewarded. Join me at my nightclub. We're going to turn down.
Oh, I appreciate the offer, sir, but I really need to...
You'll be fine. Have some fun. Wake up!
Wow, young man. You've made quite a swanky venture for yourself.
Yeah.
Wow, this must be quite difficult. So many silly old people to feed. How long have you been going for now?
Oh, 6 days. Straight.
Oh, my. Oh, that must be really exhausting. Look, I have an idea, okay? You're tired. I'm a frog. I can feed everyone. Probably.
I like everything that you're saying. I do need a break.
You know, I'll take care of the stand. Frog's honor.
Thank you, Frog. Your hands are moist.
Well, you know, frogs. Sure. I'm a frog. That's our thing. And it's the Frog Wizard. No matter. He will see what his ignorance has wrought.
What?
Who wants some breakfast? People of the Elder Valley, your hero has left me in charge. He has done this to you. Go find him and tell him to respect his elders.
Come on, let's get him!
There he is! Traitor!
He ruined breakfast!
Yes, he did. How could someone so promising put someone like me in charge? Get him! Woo!
Oh, you're slowing me down!
Come on! Let's get him! Let's get him!
Back here! Hey, you better run!
Hurry up!
What? Whatever you're doing.
Hello, young man. I'm Tim Tom O'Malley, Donathan Esquire the Fourth, but you can call me Don.
Where am I?
You're in the forest of the big effing rabbits.
Oh. Well, as long as I'm not in the Elder Valley.
That's very far away. What happened?
Well, I had this breakfast stand, you see, and I was damn good at my job. But then the Frog Wizard took my stand and turned everyone in the valley against me.
I run my life by a certain code. It's gotten me through a lot of hard times. The way I see it is, if anyone's ever wronged you or done something you don't like, you should
Really think that should be your first choice?
Oh. No. That probably shouldn't be your first choice.
Well, what am I supposed to do, though? I'm a failure. I got run out of town, and I didn't even try to defend my honor. What is wrong with me?
Absolutely nothing. Look, the Frog Wizard is jealous of what you've been able to achieve in 2 days that he's never been able to achieve in his entire miserable Frog Wizard life. Sure, everyone loves wizards, but no one likes frogs. Like, everyone hates frogs. So he's never been able to accomplish anything before. But you have a gift. So it didn't work out. But it was a misunderstanding. But if you want to earn the respect of the elders, you need to go back and earn it. Go back and show Elder Valley that you're their true champion.
Thank you, Don. You're right. I know what I must do now.
Josh, you can do this. I know it. You must show the world what you can accomplish.
Wait, how do you know my name?
And go make some breakfast.
Oh, I miss breakfast.
I miss the old chef. He used to make the best breakfast sandwiches.
Indeed he did, sister. Indeed he did. But we have to stay strong.
Oh, no, Andrew. Go get Old Man Joe his fairy powder.
Right.
That no one else can have.
Okay.
There we are.
I'm here to take back what's mine. Frog Wizard! Your reign ends now!
Look who it is. It's lame chef, dumb guy. That's you, stupid. I don't know if you remember, but you gave me the stand. It's mine now.
That's right, for a day. But I think you've overstayed your welcome.
Well, that's the best part. All these stupid old people think I'm great.
No, we don't. You stink. Like farts.
That's right. You may have had them fooled, Frog Wizard, but we know who the true Breakfast King is.
I'll show you to go against a frog wizard. Alakazam! I'll turn you and I do this one. Let's see. What if we share it? We can share it.
Stop!
Chef Holly, I'd never give up on
Everybody shut up! I decide who gets the breakfast stand.
Oh, yeah? What gives you?
I have the lease.
Oh, that's a nice lease.
You, go make me a breakfast sandwich. The boy gets the stand.
But
One bite told me all I ever needed to know. I'm sorry I ever doubted you.
so, old people, who wants some breakfast?
Young man, we never asked. What may we call you?
Well, you can just call me Cool Chef McGee.